From one of my subscribers asking me if this mobile strategy actually works on 1 minute time frame. Okay, yes, it works on 1 minute time frame, and you can easily use it to grow a small trading capital into something reasonable. With it, you can easily be getting about 10 minute candles right from here, and I'm going to show you how to go about it. And if you don't know about this setup, I will also show you how you can have full access to the set. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. You, just like you guys have known, you will always get the best trading strategy from this particular platform. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies. Do your own personal practice on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the setup, and you can do the setup from your end. And of course, I will now explain to you how to go about the setup. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video. So this is how the setup looks like. Okay, I only have 3 different indicators on the charts. On the main chart, I'm having just one. This is it. So you can screenshot it and have it done on your chart. And of course, on the window indicator, I'm having the RSI, and of course next to that is the alligator. Okay, so you can do the screenshot of the setup and have it done on your chart. Okay, so you already know how I use it, so this is very simple. Okay, so and it works with any of these assets, including currency pairs and also gold assets. Okay, so this is very important. Just take note of the instructions which I will be giving to you right here. Okay, so I'm just going to be brief and well detailed with it. Okay, but at the same time, let me quickly say this. This might not give you the big amount of money you are looking for, just the way we are getting it with the custom made indicator, but this will definitely make you some good amount of money. Okay, you can start from here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is the moving average on the main charts. You, just like we have known, moving average helps us to know the direction of the market in most cases. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we can see that the market is at the support zone. This is 1 minute time frame. The market is at the support zone around here because it was oversold already, and you will notice that from here, once it gets to 30 and below, it shows that the market is oversold already. Okay, so we should be waiting for an uptrend. Okay, so we had a crossing around here, around the oversold area, so we had an upward crossing, so it means that it should buy at that particular point. But sometimes it might not go that far, most especially once it is getting to this 50 region. We may likely have a pullback, but if you should notice, we will definitely have about 50 candles from there. Okay, so let's check it out. This is not up to 50, but I mean not up to 10, so we should be having about 10 candles, rather not up to 10, but this is about 8 candles, which is still reasonable. And of course, because it is still around the support region, then definitely we still have the opportunity to make more profit right from there. Okay, so you can see it right from here. When it pulled back, it's actually went back into a full uptrend. You can see this, it went straight into an uptrend. There will always be a pullback in between, because the market is on uptrend. It does not mean that it will keep on going up all through. Okay, there will always be pullback. This is the pullback, so if you miss out from coming in from around here, then definitely this is where you should come in again and trade to the very last again. So this is very important. Okay, now let's see more of that again. Okay, you can see just from here, guys, from here again, we add another entry point. Okay, so if you should notice, right from there, and to this very moment also gave us 13 candles. Okay, like I said, you always get up to 10-minute candles right from there. Okay, so if you should notice around here also we got something similar to that. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so you can see this also, you can see this also, guys. This actually started from this support zone, oversold region, and of course started buying, and of course you can see the buying opportunity that we also got from there. Just like I've always been telling you, you should also learn to manage your business. Okay, once you see an entry point signal, which is going to be somewhere here, when the market is oversold, then definitely we got a buy signal around here. We also got it around here, so we started buying. Then we should also set our stop loss also in case the market goes the other way around. But in most cases you will always be in profit because it already gives you an opportunity to trade at that particular point. Okay, and of course you can also use it to trade the spiky part of it. You can see right from here when the market was overbought, then it started selling right from there. So you can check it out right from there. It kept on spiking and spiking till it crashed down to the very last part of the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can also use it to trade boom also. Let's check it out with boom 1000. Okay, let's check it out with boom 1000. So check it out right here. You can see at this resistance zone we started a downtrend. This is when it was overbought, and of course you can see this, guys. It gave us an entry point signal when it crossed there, and of course it also gave us around there, and it kept on selling till it got to 30 downward. Okay, you can see that, guys. You can see that. So you can use that opportunity to milk the market successfully without having any issue. You can also use it to trade the spiky part of boom and crash. You can see when the market is at the support zone, and of course it gave us an uptrend signal, and it kept on spiking and spiking and spiking. Okay, and it's still spiking at the moment and trying to go back on downtrend right now. Okay, guys, these are some of the things that we should look out for whenever we're trading. Okay, and of course this is how you can trade boom and crash using your mobile trading platform, and you can also use it to trade other assets also right from here. So all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis, try them on your demo account before trying them out on your real accounts. Okay, this is very, very important, and you're going to love every bit of it if you try these out. Okay, so guys, I want you to go back to your charts right now, have this set up on your chart, and of course let's see how it goes. Okay, you can give me feedback, send your messages to me on WhatsApp so that we can see how you're able to achieve this. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.